Well, let us see the remaining questions of exercise 2.5. Here the questions are totally based on the algebraic identities. Once again, I would like to highlight all the formula that you have already read. The formulas are a plus b whole square, simply a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square formula, a square minus b square formula, a plus b plus c whole square formula, a plus b whole cube formula, a minus b whole cube formula, a plus b plus c whole cube formula, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc formula. So you have to memorize all the formula just to apply them in the problem. क्योंकि जब आप सवाल में आते हैं, सवाल बनाने के लिए आते हैं, तो आपके सामने में फार्मूला फ्लैश करना चाहिए, सही फार्मूला सही समय पर याद आना चाहिए, तब आपके अंदर में एक हैप्पीनेस क्रिएट होगा और वही हैप्पीनेस आपको सवाल को बनाने में मदद करेगा. सो लेट अस सी द प्रॉब्लम्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. वेरीफाई x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z is equal to half x plus y plus z is equal to like that. So these are the setting of the formula. Now I have already told you that first take the value of x, y, z so that x plus y plus z is not 0. We shall take here because getting 0 is not the sufficient method to get it. So take the value of x, y, z so that x plus y plus z is not 0. So take x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 you can take, no problem. Z is equal to 2. Because I have taken very simple integers so that it facilitates us to get the solution very easily. So I have taken here x1, y minus 1. Here x plus y plus z is not 0. Rather we are getting x plus y 0, no problem at all. So let us take first LHS. LHS is your, I am writing the result. 1 cube plus minus 1 whole cube plus 2 whole cube minus 3xyz. X is 1, y is minus 1, z is 2. Again simplify it, you are getting 1, q is 1, minus 1 plus 2 q is 8, minus minus plus 6. So this is 14, total 14, 1 minus 1 is cancelled. So this is left hand side. Now come to the right hand side. So RHS is what? Half x plus y plus z, 1 minus 1 plus 2, then x minus y whole square, 1 plus 1 whole square plus y minus z minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus z minus 6, z is 2, 2 minus 1 whole square. So here is the result, and this is finally 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 cancel, 2 is left. So 2, and then 1 plus 1 2, 2 whole square, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus minus 3 whole square, then 2 plus 1 is 1, 1 whole square. Now simplify it, 2 is cancelled out. So this is 4 plus 9 plus 1, 9, 4, 13 plus 1, 14. So clearly left hand side is 14, right hand side is 14, therefore LHS is RHS, therefore verified. So this is the technique of verification. Because whenever the question is asked, you must keep the answer in a proper way. Don't forget to write the answer without any logic. Let us come to another question. Move towards question number 30. So question 13 is, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, prove that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So it is clearly dependent on the formula. The formula is what? Let us recall the formula. Rather it is identity, no problem. This is x cube plus y cube. Sorry, this is x cube. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So this is the formula. Now it is given that x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So this part is 0. So clearly this 0 into anything, this means 0. So LHS is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz becomes therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 0. Therefore, the result is coming x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Send minus 3xyz to the right hand side. So this is the solution of 30. Now come to 14. Question 14 is without actually calculating the value of the cube, find the value of minus 12 whole cube plus 7 whole cube plus 5 whole cube. Again, this cube formula is coming, so my intention is to go through the formula of, let us recall the formula. The formula is, we have just used in the previous question, so let us recall it. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus cc. So this is the formula. Now let us take here, take a is equal to here, a is equal to minus 12, take b is equal to 7 and c is equal to 5. So I have taken a is equal to minus 12, b is equal to 7, c is equal to 5. Clearly a plus b plus c is equal to minus 12 plus 7 plus 5, and this is minus 12 plus 12 and this is 0. So we are getting a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Let us apply this here. Hence a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. Now let us use it. This is 0, so this whole part is 0, so 0 into anything is equal to 0. So we are getting, this is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0, means a cube plus b cube. This is implying, I am writing the result here, 3a, a is minus 12. What is b? B is 7. What is c? 5. So I have obtained here 3abc. So multiply it, 36 minus 36 into 35. Multiply this to 36 into 35. So 6 5 30 0 3, 5 3 15 3 18, 6 5 30 0 3 3 5 15 and 3 18, 6 3 18 8 1, 3 3 9 1 10, 108 0 16 2 1. So yes, this is 12 under 16. So this is coming is minus 12 under 16. So it is the answer. So you must verify your work again and again so that we can get the actual result without any error. Similarly, apply the second part. Here a is 28, b is minus 15 and c is 13. Apply the same technique here. Here also, a plus b plus c is equal to 28 minus 15 minus 13, finally 0. So apply the same technique, apply as above. Apply the same technique as above. You will get the result. So these are the typical problems related to the identity. So must go through it and get the answer for your satisfaction. Let us come to another question, 15 and 16. Yes, let us see question number 15. This question is, give possible expression for the length and breadth of the following rectangle in which their areas are given. It is given area, I am just clarifying it again, area of rectangle is given is equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 12. So here is the area of rectangle. I have just added rectangle word. Now area of rectangle, you know, this is the rectangle, length and breadth. If this is length and this is breadth, so area is what? Length into breadth. So apply this here to get the solution. एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल कितना हुआ? लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ. तो आप लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ कर दीजिए. एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ इज इक्वल टू 25a स्क्वायर माइनस 35a प्लस 12. ये आपको क्या बताया कि राइट हैंड साइड को फैक्टराइज करना है दो फैक्टर के रूप में. तो फैक्टराइज करने का जो टेक्निक है उसको आपको अप्लाई करना होगा. तो हम स्प्लिटिंग मिडिल टर्म यूज कर रहे हैं. 25 और 12 को हम रिप्लाई कर रहे हैं. 25 into 12, दिस इज 50 and this is 25, this is 0, 10, 0, 1, 300. So 25 into 12 is equal to 300. So this is, now let us break 300 in two parts so that the sum or difference is 35 and the product is 300. So let us do it. This is 2, 1, 5, 0, again 2, 7, 5, 3, 25, 5, 5. Now let us adjust in two ways. This is coming is 20 plus 15. 5 into 3 is 15 and 2 into 2 into 5, 20. So let us write here 25a square minus 20 plus 15 and then a plus 12. So here is the break of middle term. Now we shall write here, this is 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. Now this is, let us take 5a common, so this is 5a minus 4. Take 3 common, 5a minus 4. And finally 5a minus 3 into 5a minus 4. So here is the length. In place of this you can write length and this is breadth. So here is the result. So the question was, give possible expression for the length and breadth of the following rectangles. Therefore length is 5a minus 3 and breadth is 5a minus 4. So I hope it is clear now, this dance. Let us take the second part, 35y square plus 13y minus 12. Proceed as it is. So I am leaving that. Let us come to 16. Question 16 is, yes, let us see 16. क्वेश्चन 16 को आप ध्यान दीजिए, क्या कह रहा है? 16 कह रहा है what are the possible expression for the dimension of the cuboid whose volumes are given? So 16 here, the volume of cuboid is given. This volume is 3x square minus 12x. So first of all, let us write the volume of cuboid as you know. So this is cuboid, this is the cuboid. Here is the figure of cuboid. Length, this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. So length into breadth into height, the volume of the cuboid. You can write here length into breadth into height. So this gives us energy from the left hand side, that you have to break the right hand side in 3 factors. So let us first take 3x common here. So we are getting x minus 4. Now automatically it has been broken down into 3 factors. Therefore length is 3 you can take, breadth is x you can take, and height you can take as x minus 4. So this is the expressions for the length, breadth and height. This is the possible dimensions. Now come to the second part. Second part here, 12ky square plus 8ky minus 20k. Now this will take common. Again the same techniques. So this will take here length into breadth into height. So let us have it common. What is common in all? The common in all the 3 terms are 4k. Take 4k common. So 4k is, this is 3 y square plus 2y minus 5. So this is the result. This length into breadth into height. Yes. Now let us break this 3y square plus 2y minus 5. So this is coming is 4k. Again it will come in term. 5 3 is 15. 15 can be written as 12. 2y. This is 15. 5 into 3. So 3y square plus 5y minus 3y minus 5. Let us write it length into breadth into height. Again let us change it. 4k, take common y, so we are getting y into, this is 3y plus 5 minus 1, 3y plus 5. So this is your length into breadth into height. Clearly I am writing result here. इस रिजल्ट को हम यहाँ लिख रहे हैं. So length into breadth into height is equal to 4k into 3y plus 5 into y. इस तरह से आपका रिजल्ट आया y minus 1, sorry, y minus 1. So there are 3 factors here. 3y plus 5 is common. So another factor is y minus 1. So result is length is 4k, breadth is 3y plus 5, and height is uy minus 1. You are free to take anything. So this is the answer. So this is all about this exercise. We shall see in the next lecture quadrant geometry. Thank you.